Hello and welcome to Using Your Windows Lab Workspace. We're excited for you to take these next steps in your skills journey. The labs in this course and other courses provide you with a virtual, hands-on lab environment where you can boost your skills by practicing what you've learned in your course videos and readings. Your lab space, also known as a guided project or the My Cloud Workspace window, contains all the software you need to successfully complete your lab tasks. You'll also open a lab instructions file. For your best experience, we recommend displaying your lab space and instructions side by side. To access your hands-on lab, first open the item in the course for the hands-on lab. If the lab instructions display in a new tab, hover over the tab and pull the tab down onto the desktop. You can drag the window edges to resize the window to about 1/3 of the screen size. You'll return to this window later. Return to the course screen and scroll through the displayed course lab instructions. Select the checkbox to accept the Coursera Honor Code conditions. Then click the Open Tool button. Next, you'll see the Coursera Guided Project window. This window may take a moment to display. The displayed My Cloud Workspace window is divided into two panes. The left pane is named the Cloud Workspace window, and the right pane is named the Instructions window. You won't use this instructions window. Now, you can expand the Cloud Workspace pane on your screen's left side using one of two methods. Drag the vertical slider between the Cloud Workspace and the Instructions pane to the far right side of the screen, or click the Expand Cloud Workspace window button displayed on the top right of the left pane. Take a moment to view your lab window. You can click the Lab Window Resolution drop-down arrow to adjust the size of the on-screen icons in the Cloud Workspace. And next, let's adjust your browser windows to see your Cloud Workspace and lab instructions side by side. On the Cloud Workspace lab window, hover over the double box icon located in the top right of the browser window to reduce the size of your window. Move the window to the left side of the screen. Now, drag the window's right edge so that the Cloud Workspace lab window uses about 2/3 of the available desktop space. Next, select the browser window that displays your lab instructions. Drag the instructions window so that the window is to the right of the Cloud Workspace lab window. Now, you can perform the lab tasks in the Cloud Workspace window while using the lab instructions. After completing the lab, select Leave Session to close the Cloud Workspace window, then close your lab instructions using the option available for your browser. Also, before you begin, here's some extra information you need to know. Each time you connect to these labs, Coursera creates a fresh new environment. Data or files you saved in a previous session are no longer available. To avoid losing your data, plan to complete your lab tasks in a single session. These labs are timed to provide enough time to complete lab tasks, but if you leave the lab session unattended, your lab may time out or end. Now, these setup instructions used a Chrome browser within Microsoft Windows 10. Other browsers and web browsers on Mac or Linux computers may use different navigation. You're now lab ready. Let's get started.